So I think what's really important, and especially because we're in an enterprise role, is we operate with different parts of the business in sort of the whole of what I call the value chain and supply, value chain, supply chain. Some of the stuff we do is critical across that value chain. And I think what's really important is that we bring the enterprise view to everything we do every day, even though it might be just one part of the business we're working with, that we as an enterprise function can bring a holistic enterprise view as we're looking at what we're buying for one part of the business, that we look at it and say, does that align to our corporate strategy? Is that going to deliver on what we need to deliver under what our corporate strategy is? So certainly we need to know it and understand it and be able to actually help implement on it. So we should look at that every day. Is what we're doing today aligning and heading us towards the objectives of the company?
How we ensure that our supply chain strategies are aligned with our corporate strategies is we continuously work with our suppliers, particularly our critical and major suppliers, to ensure that they have a good understanding of APA's strategy and where we're headed, and they share our values.
So the way we ensure that the supply chain strategy supports the corporate strategy is first to understand the corporate strategy and identify what parts of that strategy we can really support and how. The second part is through discussions with our stakeholders and what their drivers are and their needs and their pain points and how we might be able to support them to overcome those and to achieve those goals. And thirdly, it's understanding the supply market and what risks or opportunities there might be there, and then bringing all of that together into a cohesive strategy, which should firstly align with our specific stakeholders and ultimately with the corporate strategy.